Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. If you're watching this channel for the first time, my name is Sara and on this channel I teach Urdu as a second language. If you're learning Urdu grammar, Urdu vocabulary, verbs, if you're planning to come to Pakistan or just trying to learn the language of your husband, this is the great way to learn Urdu, because on this channel I'm giving free Urdu lessons. But if you want to have a private lesson, I teach on these websites as well. So today I'm going to discuss an irregular verb in the past simple tense. Students have this confusion, so I thought I'm going to make a small video about it. About the past simple tense, if you haven't watched these videos, it will be very confusing, so I recommend that you watch these videos first about the past simple tense, past simple with transitive verbs, etc. So the verb that I'm going to discuss today is jana, which is to go. It's an intransitive verb. That means that it directly agrees with the number and gender of the subject. So for female, the suffix is e. For male, the suffix is a. For plural men, it is a. And for plural female, it is e. So why I'm discussing this verb specifically? Because it's the pronunciation, the sound is different in the past simple tense. Instead of becoming jai or jaya or something like that, it becomes gai, gaya, gaye, and gai. I don't know what's the reason behind it, but the sound changes from ja to ga. Main gayi. So yesterday I went to the park, so say main park gayi. Main park gayi. I went to the park. Wo park gaya. He went to the park. We went to the park. Hum park gaye. Hum park gaye. We went to the park. If you're all females, you'll say hum park gayi. Hum park gayi. There's a nasal sound which I know is a bit hard to kind of grasp, but gayi. Hum park gayi. Hum park gayi. We went to the park. Jana is used as a compound verb. That means it is attached with many verbs. Like for example, bhool jana. Bhool jana is to forget. Here jana loses its meaning. It's called compound verb and I will make a separate video about it. Bhool jana is to forget. So how would you say I forgot? Do you know? Would you like to write down in the comment section? So you'll say main bhool gayi. Main bhool gayi. I forgot. मैं भूल गया. मैं भूल गया. I forgot. मैं भूल गया. A man is saying this sentence. हम भूल गए. हम भूल गए. We forgot. हम भूल गए. हम भूल गई. हम भूल गई. We forgot. Another verb that we use jana with is डर जाना. To get scared. मैं डर गई. मैं डर गई. कल रात मैं बहुत डर गई. कल रात मैं बहुत डर गई. कल रात मैं डर गया. मैं अकेला था तो मैं डर गया. मैं डर गया. I got scared. हम सब डर गए. जब चोर आए तो हम सब डर गए. जब चोर आए तो हम सब डर गए. When the thief came, we got scared. हम डर गए. Do you understand? Let me put some verbs with jana in them and you can conjugate them and write your answers in the comment section. Here they are. First one is so jana. Here jana loses its meaning. So we are basically learning the compound verbs with jana. The main verb is so. This is the action that you intend to express. Jana has no meaning here. Jana is just adding a different shade of meaning. Like here, it indicates the sense of completion of the action, the finality, a transition. I'm going to talk more about compound verbs in the future. Bhool jana. Bhool jana is to forget. Bhool jana. Aa jana is to come. Aa jana. Pee jana. Pee jana. Baith jana. Khade ho jana. Khade ho jana. To stand. Pahunch jana. Pahunch jana. So you can basically say I reached. This is indicating a finality. Write this down in the comment section if you know how to translate this in Urdu. Samajh jana, to understand. Samajh jana, I understood. Kho jana. Kho jana, lose something. Kho jana. Ho jana. Ho jana is to happen. Ho jana. I made a whole video about hona where I also mentioned a lot of compound verbs. If you want to make sentences with them, you can do them in the comment section and I'll definitely check them. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you have learned a lot from this video. I'm gonna see you later. Have a good day and goodbye.